Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to activate chat heads in Messenger. So, of course, you need to download Messenger from your App Store, and this is the interface. Now, you will locate your settings over on the left-hand side, and in this menu, you're going to tap on the gear icon. Now, in here, you're going to navigate down to notifications and sounds, and you're going to make sure that this is on first of all, and then you want to go down and in-app sounds, notification previews at the bottom, and vibrate on ring. Those three are turned on. You can also customize your notifications over here, and this is where you need to tap the show as pop-up, make sure that is on, and then also app icon badges, make sure that is on. Now what you want to do from here is go out of your Messenger app and go into your device settings. Now here you are going to look for apps. Now once you've located apps, you are going to look for Messenger. You can either look for it or you can just type it in like that and tap on it. Now once it's open, we're going to go and look for notifications. Now, under notifications, there are a few things that you need to make sure that are on. So of course, allow notifications at the top, that must be toggled on. And then alerts, you want it to say allow sound and vibration. And then the notification types, you want to make sure that the lock screen, badge, and pop-up is all allowed, and it's got a highlight around it. The color may differ. So then once you have done all this, your activated chat heads in Messenger will be up and running. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.